Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing the system. Install the latest GPU driver and OS patches so the hardware can perform. Once done, set your power plan to high performance and plug in a laptop to avoid throttling. This matters because clocks need sustained power. Next, terminate heavy background processes like browsers, cloud sync, and recording overlays to free CPU and memory. Do this now so the GPU receives more workload and fewer bottlenecks as we move into configuration. Now you focus on workloads and software. Enable hardware acceleration inside the apps you use so they offload compute to the GPU. Then progressively raise graphics workload, higher resolution, textures, and enable asynchronous compute, so tasks utilize more GPU resources rather than being CPU bound. Make sure to use profiling tools to monitor GPU usage, RAM, and temperatures while you run representative tasks. This lets you iterate, increase settings when safe, and identify the exact point where the GPU becomes the limiting component. Finish with careful tuning. If temperatures and power allow, apply modest GPU overclocking in small steps and run stress tests to confirm stability. This raises sustained utilization. Once done, balance the system by enabling multi-threaded rendering or moving tasks to the GPU. Make sure the CPU is not the choke point. If things go wrong, first reinstall drivers, check for thermal throttling, and verify your PSU has sufficient headroom. These fixes address most sudden drops in GPU usage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.